Assalamualaikum. I'm Jubair Ibn Jiyaz, ID 181261179. My presentation topic is bail. In the CRPC, bail discuss section 496 to 502. First of all, definition of bail. The term bail is not defined under CRPC. Bail is a kind of the security which is given by the accused to the court that he will attempt the proceeding against the accusation made upon him and include personal bond and bail bond. Bail is a mechanism used to ensure that the accused is present before the court. Now discuss about the type of bail. Bail is two types: regular bail, interim bail. Regular bail. A regular bail is generally granted to a person who has been arrested or is in police custody. Interim bail. This type of bail is granted for a short period of time and it is granted before the hearing for the grant of regular bail or anticipatory bail. Categories of bail. Bail during inquiry and investigation, bail by the police and bail by the magistrate or court. Bail after investigation but before conviction, bail by the magistrate or court. Bail after conviction, bail pending appeal under section 420 and 498. Bail pending revision section 435. Bail in bailable offence 496. Bail in non-bailable offence 497. Anticipatory bail section 498. Offences are divided into two matters under bail, that are bailable offence and non-bailable offence. What is bailable offence? Bailable offence means an offence which is shown as a bailable in the first schedule or which is made bailable by any other law for the time being in force. Non-bailable offence means any other offence. Bailable offence are regarded as less grave and less serious. Bail is right of an offender. The Supreme Court has ruled that a person accused of a bailable offence is automatically entitled to be released on bail after furnishing the required surety or bond, and such a right does not depend on the discretion of the court or the police officer who can give bail. Police and courts both have power to giving bail, but if offender arrested without warrant, then the officer in charge or OC can give bail, otherwise not. On the other hand, if offender arrested with warrant, then the court only have to power give bail at any stage of the procedure. Briefly discussion on bail. The term bail has not been defined anywhere in the Code of Criminal Procedure, but through analyzing the nature of bail, bail can be defined as a temporary release of an accused awaiting trial and some condition on amount of some money, lot or guarantee their appearance in court. Bail is not granted to set the prisoner free but to release him from the custody by entrusting him to the custody of the sureties who are obligate to the present him on the command of the court at the specified time and place. The bail bond and surety are the specific provision of section 499 of the CRPC. The granting of bail varies in case of bailable and non-bailable offence. In case of bailable offence, the court shall grant bail or instead of top bail discharge or accused on his executing a bond without securities for his appearance as provided under section 426. Again, as per section 497 of CRPC, if the person is accused of any non-bailable offence, then he might be released on bail, but where it appears that there reasonable ground of the accused guilty of offence punishable with death or imprisonment of life, then he will not be released. The procedure of the state of granting bail. Firstly, the accused person shall appoint a lawyer. The appointed lawyer will prepare a petition and raise it before the judicial court for a hearing. After receiving the bail petition, shall put forth and prescribed file and shall submit the same of the concerned judicial magistrate court for the conducting the bail under section 496. Then the concerned lawyer shall appear before the honorable court or for hearing and hearing the petition on behalf of the accused. If the court consider the bail, then the concerned lawyer shall submit the bail warrant. The bail warrant should be signed by the magistrate, and after that the authority of police shall release the person. The accused should be present before the concerned court on the specific date on command, and if he fails to be present, the court shall cancel his bail. Again, if the lower court doesn't consider the bail, the accused may appear before the High Court under section 498 of CRPC. There are no express legal provision of ad interim or interim bail, but this kind of bail can be given by the court inherent power. However, bail can be cancelled by the High Court Division or Court of Session under section 497 of CRPC. Besides, there any other court that release the accused on bail can order the person to be arrested and cause him to the custody. A trial under magistrate court is to be conclude within 180 days and session court to conclude the trial within 360 days. That's all. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.